Welcome. Today we're making a delicious, comforting, and incredibly easy one-pan vegan red lentil dal. This is the perfect weeknight meal, packed with flavor, and cleanup is a breeze. The first thing you'll need is a large pot or a Dutch oven. Turn your stove to medium heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the pot. If you don't have coconut oil, any neutral cooking oil will work. Next, add 1 finely chopped yellow onion. We're going to sauté this until it's soft and translucent, which should take about 5 minutes. While that's cooking, let's talk about our aromatics. We'll be using 4 cloves of minced garlic and a 1-inch piece of grated fresh ginger. The onions are ready. Now add your garlic and ginger. Stir continuously for about a minute until you can smell that amazing, fragrant aroma. Be careful not to let the garlic burn. Now for the spices that give this dal its incredible depth of flavor. We're adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. Or more if you like a little heat. Stir everything together and let the spices toast for about 30 seconds. This step is crucial, as it really wakes up their flavor. Next, we need our star ingredient, 1½ cups of red lentils. It's important to rinse them well under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes any debris and helps prevent the dal from becoming too pasty. Add the rinsed lentils to the pot and give them a quick stir to coat them in all those wonderful spices. Now, for our liquids. We're adding 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 can, or about 13.5 ounces of full-fat coconut milk. The coconut milk makes the dal rich and creamy. Give everything a good stir to combine. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. You can always adjust the seasoning later. Bring the dal to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot with a lid and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now is the easy part. Just let it do its thing. After about 15 minutes, remove the lid. The lentils should be completely cooked and have broken down, creating that classic creamy texture. If it looks too thick, you can add a little more vegetable broth or water to reach your desired consistency. To finish it off, squeeze in the juice of half a lime. The acidity really brightens up all the flavors, and for freshness, stir in a handful of fresh cilantro. Give it one final stir, taste it, and add more salt or pepper if needed. And there you have it. A beautiful, comforting, and healthy one-pan vegan red lentil dal. Serve it with a side of basmati rice, some warm naan bread, or just enjoy it on its own. Enjoy!